No, we are successful. जोंनि दिनैनि दिल्लीनि जन्तर मन्तराव दिन्थिफैनाय जि मेगा डेमनस्ट्रेशन बेयो डेफिनेटलि सक्सेसफुल जादों। सक्सेसफुल मानो जादों? दिल्ली पुलिसा जोंनो 10टानिफ्राय बेलासिनि 4टासिम डेमनस्ट्रेशन होनो थाखाय पारमिसन होखादोंमोन आरो बे पारमिसना दासिमबो केन्सेल जायाखै। नाथाय दुखुनांथाव रोखोमै जोंनि डेमनस्ट्रेशनाव बाहागो लानो फैनाय बिदा फंबायफोर जन्तर मन्तराव 9:30 गेजेराव नुजाफैदों सफैदोंमोन लोगो लोगो बहानिफ्रायबा बेसेबां अनजिमानि CRPF जवान पुलिस फैनानै दैखांनानै बासजों गुबुन थानाव लांजोब्बाय आरोखि बिराद दुखुनांथाव। आरो बे घटनायाव डेफिनेटलि आसाम गभर्नमेन्टनि बेवहाय कन्सपिरेसि बेवहाय हाबफानानै दङ जोंहा सन्देह दङ। Our today's mega demonstration program held at Jantar Mantar, the capital city of Delhi, capital city of the country, is very much successful. In spite of having been given us permission to stage the demonstration, all of a sudden, at about, I think, 9:30 a.m., a good number of police personnel and the CRPF personnel, they came all of a sudden and they have arrested all of our participants of the demonstration and they have been taken away from Jantar Mantar to different police stations here in Delhi. It is a very condemnable act of the government of India. And we do have very strong sense of suspicion, doubt that this untoward incident might have taken place due to some political conspiracy hatched by the state government of Assam. I do strongly condemn it until and unless our long-term demand for the state Bodoland is granted. Our movement will keep on going. There is no question of making any kind of compromise on the demand for a separate state of Bodoland. In addition to Bodoland state demand, we do have 3 more other genuine demands. They are the question of upgrading, the necessity of upgrading the present or existing Borokosari Welfare Autonomous Council under the State Act. It should be upgraded to Constitutional Autonomous Council under the provisions of the 6th Schedule to the Constitution of India. The next one is there is a 8-number clause of the second Border Accord which was signed on 10 February 2003. This clause number 8 of the second Border Accord committed that the Bodo Khosari living in Karbi Anglong NC Hills will be granted Scheduled Tribe Hill status. But over the last 17 years, this very clause has not yet been implemented. So this clause has to be implemented already. The other one is the necessity of raising a separate Bodo regiment in Indian Army with the provision of 75% reservation for the Bodo youth. And we are quite hopeful that will definitely can make our this Bodoland movement a grand success. Government of India doesn't have any counter argument in the matter of creating a separate state of Bodoland because this demand is very much justified, very much legitimate. If the Nagas, if the Mijos, if the Garo Khasi join tears, if the people of Arunachal Pradesh, if the people of Telangana, if the people of Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh could be given separate states of their own, why not a separate state for the Bodos? Nothing kind of this kind of policy cannot be applied, should not be applied in the case of the Bodos. So through this mega demonstration program, I would like to urge upon the government of India to take all necessary political initiatives and action to start fresh political dialogues and negotiation on all these four number of long-standing genuine questions or issues, so as to bring about lasting and honorable solution thereto without any further delay and without any political. And in the long run, I would like to appeal to all our Bodo brothers and sisters of the entire country to extend their helping hand and proactive support to the ongoing Bodoland Statehood movement, so that we can achieve it without any further delay. Because each and every conscious section of the Bodos have come to know that without getting a separate state of Bodoland, the question of survival and existence, the safety and security, and the overall development of the Bodo people is quite absurd notion. Separation is a must, and the alienation of the Bodos from the Assamese society and from the Assam state has already been completed. This is the turn of the Bodos to go to Assam on permanent footing in line with other people. Thank you.